Okay, so now we say about the types of software, and in that there are three classification of software. That is, first one is Samdruti is saying correct. Good. What is that? System software. Okay, then Digand with the sister. Digand at KH is attending class with the sister. Okay, so sister also you also answer. So what is second one? Utility software. Third one is application software. Okay, so what are the system softwares? Diksha, what are the system softwares? Examples of system softwares. Diksha, yeah, look the textbook and see. No problem, I told no. Look the textbook and see the answer. She is taking the textbook now. Okay, now we'll go to the another person. Okay, I think very nice. Majority they switched off the video because I may ask to you. Correct, that's why. Okay, Pooja. Pooja is on. Yes, Pooja. Which are the examples of system softwares, Pooja? Okay, Shravan is raising hands. Pooja, correct. Pooja CN, correct. Pooja, yes, I saw. Pooja, good. Okay, Shravan also raising hand. Shravan, which are the system softwares? Operating systems. Then what is next? Device drivers, and third one is language translator. Okay, Charit Babu, what are the utility softwares? Antiviruses. Next, you see your textbook, you see, no need of by heart. See the textbook and say. Page number that I want to say. Correct. Backup, compression, and disk defragmentation. Correct. Good. Okay, Chindana is, yes. What are the application software? Some example. Can you say some examples of application software? Okay, some example. Word processor, MS Word, PowerPoint, Access 2013, Tally, Excel, then payroll. Then what else you can say? Games, all the games. Bhuvan, correct now? Bhuvan? Bhuvan is doing some cartoon actions. All the cartoon actions. Bhuvan. Yes, okay. So some examples of application means like WhatsApp is one. WhatsApp, calculator, Facebook, Twitter, then games. Okay, Firefall. Yes, you are Fire for. What is that? Fire for, not Fire for. What is that? Free Fire. Sorry. I am not. Yeah, Free Fire. So I'm not telling. Yeah, sorry. I don't know. I am not interested in games. I will not allow children to play games. Okay, Dhrutik, I'm sorry. Certainly, you don't know. This doesn't know. Very famous game. Correct, na Aradhya buddy? Yeah, you are not playing any game. No, good. Aradhya, good. She's not. She's saying I'm not playing game. Okay, Yashiga, which is your favorite game, Yashiga? No games at all. Okay, do you like WhatsApp? You are checking your parents' WhatsApp, no? Yes. So WhatsApp is one type of application software, and Shailam, one group are sitting there. Shailam, I don't know who all are there. Hi, Shailam. Hi to all. Yes, Shailam. Brother, mother, all are there. Yeah, Shail. Which is the social media you're using? Which are the social medias you're using in mobile? Facebook, Twitter. You are checking your parents, no, Shail? Okay, so WhatsApp and all. Good. So these all are called what? Software, application software. Yes. So this is what is last we told about defragmentation. Remember defragmentation? What it is the Hasini? What is mean by defragmentation? Yesterday I told taking the chair and breaking it and put it in the shelf. Remember Hasini? Yeah, Hasini only told me. Okay, break the chair and keep it inside. Yeah, see here. Okay, so I didn't break. So that is called, the file will be divided into different parts and save it there. Sahitya, correct no Sahitya? GT Sahitya. Yes, okay, yes, yeah, good. Ligid always showing hand. I have showing hand. But he is not switching on the video. Okay, actually, I want to be in video. Okay, yes. So this is the 4 points we learn in this chapter. First one is hardware, commercial hardware. Okay, commercial input and output hardwares and softwares and type of softwares. These are the 4 points we have seen. Okay, now remaining time. Before that, I will see one homework. I will see the homework. Okay, soon you will have the test of this chapter in Teach Mint only. You will have the test of this chapter. Okay, so that will be in the Teach Mint, and the remaining, when you will get back the notes, you have to complete the notes. Okay, don't worry about our books are with the teachers, how I will write. Don't worry. Okay, so when you will get the book already sent, okay, remaining that chapter's question answer, only question answer. I told no about the correction. Oh God, I'm not saying about the correction. Some parents are written there, some they pasted there. Srinikesh, correct na Srinikesh? Not Srinikesh, some other students. Okay, and Saharsha. Not Sahar, some other students. Okay, their parents are written there in that one. Some they have written question or fill in the blanks, match the following, true or false. Everything in the notebook. I didn't say. Children, correct na Muhammad? Muhammad goes, yes. I didn't say to write all things. I told only write answer the following. Answer the following notebooks. Okay, good. But just I corrected for namesake. I corrected that one. Okay, but you continue. Yes, your parents are there to watch. No problem. Okay. Now we will do today as I told. You can see the textbook and you can answer. I'm going to conduct what I want to going to conduct? Pause. Okay, live pause. Are you ready? Kaushik, are you there? Kaushik N, are you there? You are Kaushika. Saivajan, yes, I am there. No, not Digan, sorry. Saivajan, I saw you. Yeah. Kaushik, some students, they didn't switch on the camera. I don't know what they're doing there. Yes. And Tanvika and all. Jenya T. Okay, they are not switching. Okay, let it be there. Yes. Those who are switching on the camera, I will call the name. I'll ask them. Okay, otherwise, no. Yes. Okay, are you ready for what is that? Live poll? Yes, Parindeep, are you ready? Tayeba Safa. Tayeba? Yeah. Vaibhav. Good. Okay, ready? Let us start. First question. Ready? Yeah. You can see, you can refer the textbook and give the answer. No problem. Yes. Okay. Now first question I will type. I want to type. It will take few seconds. Okay. Ready? Mobile is ready. Ready to type. Y B C D E F G. Yes. Okay. Lipos create a new poll. First question. It will take time. Okay. Yes. The first question. So it will be 60 seconds. 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Now you see. Okay, can you see now? Can you see? Yeah, 13, 14. Oh, very good, good. Come on. Very nice. You have 30 seconds. Sorry, 60 seconds. I want all to be give correct answer. I want to give Yashas. Yeah, he is tensed. Oh, Yashas is tensed. Correct now, Yashas? Don't worry. If it is wrong also, no problem. Vishwas? Yes. Okay. So, yeah, Vishwas is given. Yes, good. Chayank? Noorashri, good. Okay, 12 seconds. Hasini, ready? Shrail, ready? Yeah. Now 2 seconds, now we'll get the answer. Yes. So Kaushik and God, Kaushik and you can see that who all are there. Okay, Kaushik and all the. So who all are not answered? Not answered. Pushkal not answered. Taiba, Kush. Okay, few students they could not attend. I don't know why it is. Yes. Okay, so please try next time. Please try. Hmm? Okay, some students they didn't attend that one. I'm not reading names. Okay, next time don't be idle. Yes, if you are not answering all means, then I will not conduct this live poll. No use at all. So let me go to the second question. Hamsika, can we go to second one? May I go? Muhammad goes? Yes. Okay, second question. Second question I want to type now. Yeah. It will take few seconds. Yes, now we have 30 seconds. Now we have 30 seconds. Now it is starting 3, 2, 1. Yes. Dash is an input device. Dash is an input device. OR reader, OMR reader. So fast. Now it is only 30 seconds I have given. Yeah. Yes. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Yes. Okay. So what is the correct answer? Yeah. OMR reader. Again Kaushik N. Okay. Again Kaushik N. Charit Babu. I think I am not reading. You will get. Okay. And some they have done 25. Oh, 25 wrong answer. So children, there are 30 seconds. It is not a play. You have to read. Otherwise, I will stop. Okay. I'm going to stop this poll. Simply you are pressing. I told you, you can open, refer the textbook and get the answer and press the correct answer, please. See here, now wrong answers are more. 25 wrong answers now. Okay, so I don't want this all. Simply clicking. So refer, 30 seconds are there. I need all correct answer. Okay, again not answered. Few didn't answer. Okay, let it be there. Okay, if we are going like this one means I will stop live poll. Anyhow, we will go to the next poll. Yes, third one. Third one, third question. Yes, again 30 seconds. You are starting your question now. Your question now. First you read properly. I don't want to be first. A machine language program is called. Yeah, there are many wrong answers. Simply they are typing. So I will stop. Sarah, you are typing now? Sarah, yes. Okay, she has given. Good. Okay, so, and I'm sorry, really sorry. I told that one. Many are giving. Now it is 33 students are giving wrong answer. I'm stopping. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. I told refer the textbook and write. I am stopping here. Vajan, is it not fire? Correct now? Vajan, do you think it's correct? Vajan, Sai Vajan. So simply they are pressing 1 A B A B. No. I don't like this one. I will not conduct like this live poll again. You want to teach. Actually, I am giving this live poll for to learn, find out the answer and write. You see, now you see 33 wrong answer. Samdra, correct now? 30 more wrong answers only. Simply, it's like a game you are playing. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm stopping today's class also. Yes, just you are playing. I will not conduct the live poll. I have prepared 20 questions I prepared. 20 questions I have prepared from the inside the textbook like this. But you are simply pressing without reading. You want to be first. You want to be first, simply pressing, and I am disappointed. Okay, I will not conduct. I will not conduct the live poll. I will not conduct live. Simply typing means I don't like. Okay, one more time. See here, if it is simply clicking means I will not conduct this live poll again. It's not a simple comedy. Here, like a game. Typing question suddenly 1 plus second. Suddenly 1 A B C. No. Okay. Anyhow, I prepared 2 more questions I will ask. 2 more questions I will ask. 2 more questions. Okay. If it is going like this one means I need all correct answer. I told now refer the textbook and get the answer. Okay. Yes. Next one. Next one is device driver. Okay, next one is device driver. Yes, now read the correct answer. Read the correct answer and you type correct one. I will give 60, okay, 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Read the textbook and give the correct answer. If wrong answer there are more, I will stop. Okay, yes. Okay, example of device driver. I need correct answer. You take, refer the textbook. Again I am telling. Still 14 seconds are there. Okay, now see here. Good. Good. Now it is correct. Very good. Yes. Again, majority are given wrong answer. Actually, answer is C. Utility software. Device driver is a system software. Device driver is a, what is that correct answer? Device driver is a system software. Okay, system software. Okay, last one I will conduct. I will stop the class. Okay, last one. Really, yeah. I'm giving one true or false, symbol 1. Yes, it is a true or false. True or false. QuickHeal is a utility software. QuickHeal is a utility software. True or false? You see that one? Yes. QuickHeal is a utility software. True or false or true? Still 15 seconds are there. Read and find out the answer and click the correct answer. Still 5 seconds. Okay, now you see here. So what is the correct answer? What is the correct answer? Quick Heal is a utility software. It is true. It is true. Correct now? And majority they have done wrong answer. 45. I'm stopping. Really. See here. Okay, but nothing to say. Simply it is just it is not a really job. For you it may be job. Yes, LivePol is a simple job. Simply pressing A, B, C, A, B, C. No, I really am disappointed. Okay, some are laughing. Okay, whatever it is, we laugh. Okay, next time I will not conduct like this LivePol. I'll take the class. Yes, I will move. Okay, it's not a play. Okay, good. Okay, then next day, okay, Tuesday we will revise the class once again, and Wednesday there is a test of chapter 2. Chapter 2. Once again, there is a test of, I don't know which day it is. Is there any holiday? I want to check to next Wednesday. Next Wednesday 6 only 6. Okay, so next Wednesday 6th of October. Okay, there is no holiday. I think there is no holiday. So there will be a test of this chapter. Clear? Prepare well. Within that one, I hope you will get the question answer. What is that? Notebook. Okay, I hope you will get the notebook within that one. So learn well. Okay, learn well. And PDF is there in the teachment. If notebook is there, you can learn from that PDF. Okay, I'm stopping. Remaining time, please learn for the test. Okay, thank you. Bye. Dhrutik Sajan, no.